5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Code of Ascension. Today, we smoke our way over to one of the most talked about plants in history. A plant as ancient as time itself that has quietly woven its way through the essence of human spirituality. For millennia, shamans, mystics, and spiritual masters have revered cannabis, not merely as a recreational substance, but as a sacred tool that bridges the physical and metaphysical realms. Today, we explore the profound role of weed in spiritual practice and reveal how it can guide us on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and creative inspiration. Cannabis, known by many names and revered in countless traditions, is not just an herb. It is a mirror reflecting humanity's eternal quest for transcendence, pleasure, and healing. In our modern age, where scientific understanding meets age-old wisdom, we invite you to step into a space where every breath is a meditation and every moment a sacred encounter. Throughout history, cannabis has been interlaced with sacred rituals and spiritual symbolism. In the ancient texts of India, it was honored as one of the 5 sacred plants, a divine protector against negativity and a symbol of victory over suffering. Known as Via in some scriptures, cannabis was celebrated as a gateway to higher consciousness, a tool to transcend the limitations of the mundane. In Hindu traditions, cannabis is often linked to Shiva, the deity of transformation and meditation. During festivals dedicated to Shiva, preparations like bhang are consumed as an act of devotion, a ritual that dissolves the boundaries of the ego and invites communion with the divine. These ancient practices remind us that the plant is far more than a simple intoxicant. It is a facilitator of sacred experience, a bridge between the seen and unseen. In the remote landscapes of Central Asia and Siberia, nomadic tribes use cannabis as a cosmic axis, a tool to connect the earthly realm with the heavens and the underworld. Its smoke, rising like an offering to the skies, symbolized the passage of the soul, guiding the departed and inviting the living to glimpse the vast essence of the cosmos. Modern spiritual seekers have embraced cannabis as a key to unlocking deeper layers of consciousness. Its psychoactive compounds, THC, cannabinol, CBD, interact with our brain's endocannabinoid system, subtly tuning our senses to the frequencies of universal energy. When used with intention, cannabis quiets the analytical mind and opens the door to altered states where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Many report that cannabis use leads to vivid, almost mystical experiences. Time may slow, colors become intensely vivid, and sounds resonate with a profound sense of meaning. These moments, reminiscent of deep meditative states, can foster feelings of interconnectedness and unity, reminding us that we are but threads in the fabric of a larger universal consciousness. Yet, while these altered states can be transformative, they require mindful preparation. The key lies not in excess, but in intentional moderation. As many in our community have shared, the practice of mindful consumption is essential. With a clear purpose and proper grounding, cannabis can act as a catalyst for spiritual growth, rather than a shortcut to escapism. Across various traditions, from Rastafarian spirituality, where the holy herb is seen as a means to commune with the divine, to shamanic practices in South America, where it enhances the receptivity to sacred visions, cannabis is recognized as a medium for both healing and enlightenment. But even the most profound insights require integration into our daily lives. Before embarking on a journey into the mystical realms with cannabis, it is vital to set a clear, sacred intention. Ask yourself, why am I choosing this path today? By defining your purpose, whether it be to heal, to explore creative depths, or to simply reconnect with the natural world, you create a guiding compass for your experience. Begin your ritual by preparing a clean, quiet space. This might be a secluded outdoor setting, bathed in natural light, or a carefully arranged indoor sanctuary adorned with objects of spiritual significance such as crystals, incense, and altar pieces. Offer gratitude to the plant as you hold it in your hands and silently invite it to assist you on your spiritual journey. This act of reverence transforms a casual act into a deliberate sacred ritual. For many, the process involves more than mere consumption. Techniques such as chanting, meditation, or breathwork can deepen the experience, aligning your energy with that of the plant. Whether you choose to consume a carefully measured dose or sip on a thoughtfully prepared cannabis-infused beverage, let your intention be the cornerstone of your practice. Remember, moderation is key. A small dose is often sufficient to open the doors of perception while preserving clarity and focus. While the allure of higher consciousness may be tempting, excessive use can lead to a state of overwhelm or even distort the sacred experience. As many of you have shared in your comments, establishing a balance is crucial. Embrace periodic tolerance breaks and use cannabis as a tool for inspiration rather than a crutch for escape. The true power of a cannabis-facilitated spiritual experience lies not in the fleeting visions it may evoke, but in how those insights are integrated into everyday life. After each session, take time to reflect on your experience. Journaling can be a powerful tool. Write down your visions, emotions, and the subtle shifts in your awareness. Over time, these notes form a map of your inner journey, guiding you toward deeper self-understanding and personal growth. Grounding practices, such as eating a nourishing meal or spending quiet time in nature, can help re-anchor your energy. These simple acts remind you that while the realms of the mystical are enchanting, true transformation occurs when spiritual insights are woven into the fabric of daily existence. It is also important to discern between genuine spiritual revelations and mere projections of the subconscious. Not every vivid experience is a sign of profound truth. Some may be the mind's way of processing emotions or releasing repressed memories. In our journey, self-inquiry and honest reflection are our most trusted guides. Embrace both the luminous insights and the shadows they may reveal. True enlightenment is born of the integration of every facet of your being. For many, the practice of integration is enhanced through community. Sharing your experiences with like-minded individuals can provide clarity, support, and further inspiration. Whether in small group ceremonies or online communities, discussing your journey not only validates your experiences, but can also open new pathways of understanding. Beyond its spiritual dimensions, cannabis has long been celebrated for its creative and healing properties. Many artists, musicians, and writers report that cannabis sparks innovative ideas and unlocks hidden wells of creativity. The heightened state of awareness it induces can lead to profound moments of artistic inspiration and problem-solving breakthroughs. Whether you're a seasoned creative or just beginning to explore your artistic side, the plant offers a gentle nudge toward a more fluid and expressive inner world. On the healing front, cannabis has demonstrated its potential to alleviate chronic pain, reduce inflammation, and ease symptoms of anxiety, depression, and PTSD. Modern science increasingly validates what ancient traditions have known for centuries. Cannabis is not only a tool for the spirit, but also a potent remedy for the body. When used responsibly, it can foster a harmonious balance between physical well-being and spiritual clarity. Yet, as many of our viewers have wisely noted, the key to harnessing these benefits lies in mindful use. Emphasize moderation and always consider the context of your practice. Cannabis is a double-edged sword. When used with intention and respect, it opens doors to creative and healing realms. When used indiscriminately, it risks clouding the clarity you so deeply seek. In response to your insightful questions and community discussions, here are some practical tips to enhance your spiritual journey with cannabis. 1. Set clear intentions. Define what you wish to explore, be it healing, creativity, or spiritual growth. Write your intention down and revisit it after your session to reflect on your progress. 2. Create a sacred space. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, ensure that your environment is clean, quiet, and infused with items that hold personal or spiritual significance. This could include crystals, incense, or a favorite piece of art. 3. Select the right strain. Different strains may evoke different energies. Some may be better suited for introspection and meditation, while others could stimulate creativity or social connection. Experiment mindfully to find what resonates best with your intent. 4. Embrace integration. After your session, engage in grounding practices. This might be journaling, a gentle walk in nature, or even a short nap. Integrate your insights through dialogue with trusted friends or within your community circles. 5. Practice moderation. Remember that less is often more. A small, well-measured dose can offer clarity and insight, while overuse might lead to a loss of focus. Many seasoned practitioners recommend periodic breaks to recalibrate your sensitivity to the plant's energy. 6. Community and shared experiences. Engage with other seekers. Whether you join a local group, participate in online forums, or attend workshops, sharing your experiences can enrich your understanding and foster a deeper sense of connection with others on similar paths. Cannabis is not merely a substance. It is a doorway to realms of possibility. It challenges us to dissolve the boundaries between the physical and the metaphysical, encouraging us to explore the depths of our consciousness. Whether you seek healing, creative inspiration, or spiritual transformation, remember that the journey is as sacred as the destination. As you continue to experiment with cannabis as a spiritual tool, approach each session with humility, respect, and a clear intention. Let your experiences serve as stepping stones towards a deeper understanding of your inner self and the universe at large. Embrace both the luminous insights and the lessons found in the shadows, for it is in this integration that true growth resides. We invite you to share your stories, your challenges, and your triumphs. In doing so, you contribute to a community that values mindful exploration, responsible use, and above all, the transformative power of sacred experience. May your path be illuminated with clarity, compassion, and creativity. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the mystical, the healing, and the creative. We hope that each moment of your journey is filled with profound insights and deep peace. As always, we end this session in light and love, Code of Ascension. Thank you for your curiosity and being a part of this journey. Until next time, stay lit, light warriors, and keep ascending.